Mr. Palmer.
I now go forward on my platform and front to Uno and tell Uno say Vybz Kartel Barclays show never sold out or it wasn't a good look, because it was a good look and it's a good thing to see. And more of this, when we see more of this for the artists them, then the artists them can be able to do them own negotiation when it comes to label and distribution and music, so the music can go out there in our world. And you don't know already, man, a one dancehall will say, a one Jamaica, a one culture. As Vybz Kartel also said in a multiple interview, say, yo, Alkaline I do it for the culture, the rest of artists them I do it for the culture. So it's a good look for see what the artists them I do. And we know, me have some clippings in this episode in another video you have to share with you, for you share your thoughts and give me your take. I want to think of Vybz Kartel performance, because for me, honestly speaking, his performance, it wasn't the best of a performance, but the aesthetic feeling of seeing him with the fans them, his supporters, it's a good look. And him give the peoples them, I would say, a money's worth, because dancehall shows it's like dancehall. See, when you're at a concert, you're not going to get a full performance from the artist then, because what I always say is that artists need to take the time out for practice, for perform, do a full choreography set, something, just do something in the show to make the people them get satisfied and get their money's worth. So we see where Vybz Kartel come up on the stage and him perform with Spice, him perform with Ja Vinci and Black Rhino and Russian and, Busta Rhymes and so forth. So it's a good look. It's a good look for him. And as I say, in this clippings, I'm going to play the video. I want to tell me what you think of the whole show with him. But one thing I can say for sure, he literally stated that, him voice gone. Now we can see in performance, him voice need honey, him voice need some tea. Like me see a lot of people come out and I say, the DJ need to work on him vocals, because the vocals off and so forth. But it got me there. Our vibes and inside we under. Make sure comment in the comment section, as I say, share on the thoughts, tell me what you think. Make sure you keep that post notification bell, and make sure you mash up the like button. Mash up the like button. Wicked. It got already, man. Let's get right into the video then.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Brooklyn, are you ready? Let's welcome the deal and when I say fight, you say target, fight! When I say Abby, you say Bantan, Abby! Let's welcome the Gaza government. Enough fight to let you know that. But it's a show for believe. True believer like what Jamal said. Turn up that. We now. Don't want to run this out my yard. Nah, no way. Stop this shopping again. Give me your breast, baby. Your breast, baby, man. Yeah. Voila. Voila. Brooklyn, how you feeling? Yeah. This is history. Vybz Kartel. In a New York. Yeah. That shot us is back. Straight to my mouth. And you see as a top shotter, it's in the army. Yo, Brooklyn, wake them up like a sundown. The mouse and walk is up. Yeah. There's no one like me. I am the Brooklyn. Cause I'm back. Don't play about something on the shotguns. That is the greatest. Don't. Ready? Zoom, zoom. Oh, yeah. Kako. You go, Bobby. You got me, Bobby. See me, my girl. Back up your body, girl. You got me, big boy. Hey, Jack. Position guy, you can tell you the funny guy. Position guy, you can tell you the funny guy. If you're the Christian jazz, what's it going on? Look, support your panty and black. Your panty and white. You see, if you come here without underwear, then you see panty and down.
Now I can say that some part of the video you can see him get some good receptions from the crowd. You can hear the crowd. Them are sing the song. They really know it. You know, Brooklyn, that's the art of New York. And once the New York borough, once him performing in a New York borough, you know, say, yo, he might get some good turnout, some good support. So as I'm saying, it's a good look for him. It's a good look for culture. It's amazing to see. We like to see more of them things. And let's see how, you know, him go further on, you know, with stage shows. And you know, so the only thing for go right now is up and up forever, you know. So it's a good look for Vybz Kartel.
Let me find see no panic for me. One by. That nice. Lost this in on the tire. Whatever the pass. Wind up your body on the tire. Yo. This is how we do hard, but wine up your killer. But wine, pussy at the Kakia. Look, and then you don't walk with your dance, you don't panic. Look, wine up your tight pussy at the Kakia. Give me your one shot. Give me the breast, let me give you the breast. You're the one, but let me get it to the breast. Give me the chest, let me give you the chest. Really? Never sung for you, jump it. Never sung to Christian. Bro, that's not what we rehearsed. Anyway, jump it. I'll be the bad pussy guy there. Jump it. Give us a potential of man, my soul. Back it up, man, I think I'm going to go. First time I got in. My love is for your wife, no missionary, daddy style. Got it go road. Obsessor, that was that. Back it up, man. Oh, no, I'm not that up. Oh, your wife, but your boss that up. Who that up? Turn it up to us. What happened to that? See Look, you look at that backside. You got the reason now. Sit up on it. The boom boom tight. You're not pussy, I can't let it go. That's right.
Kartel, what are you doing?
You're the pussy when you look at mine. I don't want to be much. No, that's suicide. That's it for nothing. Don't matter. Yeah, they told me the mind. Remember the road now, one of them here to say. Look. All of the people you know, still. You want it so. You want it so. You want it so. Brooklyn, tell me. No. Pull up. Bring it. Play it back. Say you need. Not at the talking on the street. Oh, you want it for? You want it for? He said you want it for? The girl she tell me. He said you want it for? You want it for? He said you want it for? Look. I mean, Jerry people, Jerry. I got some little stop it. You must see my baby. That people mean say you leave already. Go up and tell me, say nothing trust you. You don't pull it up, you don't leave already. In a search phone, but the text me that show. They may not look Barclays, school and everything. You want that's it. Hey, what's that? The ring is to feel something, the corner of your baby. Then sing no. Say that again. What you gonna do? No weird. Alright then. Say that again. What you gonna do? Look. Come here, girl, let me have a little fun. Me and a million who you see the fun. If the choke you when you go to the stand up and take fun. You go to dance the pussy and waste man. There's a fuck a Brooklyn gun man. I think I jump in on your pussy line. The door come. That's a guys. Yeah. That was the one I never seen it for you. See it. Want to tell you? Don't click down there, don't blow, let me tell you what you do, let me tell you what you do, when you bend, don't blow. The seat say your pussy fat in a show. The seat now your eye, the back the toe low. Come on. When you go forward, you got to move it to some people. When you go to the doors, that will go. Look. You get it. You get it. Man, I'm on your pussy on the Do all the pussy fight. Then we say, why be a girl right there? And a good pussy there. What? No, what I know? You know, it's just here. Our kind of strictness is giving loose. Brooklyn, how you feeling? Hold on, the place cold. Never plan for it, I'm not sure it was. Hold this to the baby. Thank you. Ready? Ready now. How long is Ricky doing there? Where is one of me? Okay, ready? Every time. Let's take my guy about it. She said, "Try smoke it." Let me try smoke it. And you are like smoke it. And she like smoke it. She like it. Dash. Give me the red name then. Babylon said jail for me. Give me the Babylon said jail for me. I hear when you're prison. I will never go. I will never settle. I'm not this greatest. Look. They put me to end. And God said freedom. They are fighting for the freedom. They are fighting for the sickness. End. They are fighting for life. And then they want the dead. And God said freedom. Play about it. Don't keep on the line. Babylon said she wait for me, but me just say wait for me. So when we tell the joy, Jah control the destiny. Babylon said she wait for me, but me just say wait for me. So when we tell the joy, Jah control. Look, look. I'm going to be with you this morning. Yeah, look. We have a differences in the past, but now That has the rest. Because that is the one. Yeah. Really?
What Vybz?
Same thing.
What I know?
Oh, you mean?
Before we start, I'm going to need a way. A Vybz Kartel goes to the never change. It never change. I will be doing differences, but just know, you're my father for life.
You know that?
And it's not about glory.
Can't change.
Can't change.
Real singer.
Right, yes, sir.
Let them get that. Put that for your finger.
Very father.
Really? Those have been treating me love like you want to sing? Yeah. You know that song? Happy is a hear this one now when you're doing for this is your blood and you put on the level. You put it when you take you to make the next degree. Now you want to do to run a seat from green again. That one was blue, yeah. Me say you're so the turn of something. Period. Right away. Period. Right away.
Put down your phone, no matter call, crime stop. Bumbo will feel what's the dance, a crime can't stop. Gunshot.
Keep that man. Run it down.
When you see me on the house, I will be the cross up. Put down your phone, no matter call, crime stop.
Bumbo will feel
What's the dance, a crime can't stop. Gunshot.
What's in the problem? What are you doing? If what's the matter, I'm going to send you to when you're ready. Body of the ball. The love who do, who don't care, they don't need.
Body wire, and pass the dial. Shot it before could have been dial. The time when you try to look at the shoe looks so pussy. You could have got the squad and the corporal. Traffic chief, empty the 40 clock. Now to the over at the eye. Who are you flipping more? Just on the system. Yes, I'm the feeling from your fly up this man. Who are you mental because of blood make a fit? You're gonna lose them because we see we're bad like lift up our soul, you're gonna send them to the corner. When you're making your smile, ready up in the alpha, hello to the mother.
Wagwan again.
Give us to them.
One day,
Give us to them.
Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens. One Vybz Kartel.
Yo, ladies. So the United you tell me sing now. Ladies, I'm Brooklyn gonna say, so we don't cap, the cool, what I did with short away, yeah, I'm not capping, so I don't want to feel disrespected, I'm gonna come for one of my best, but me I tell you the climate beat me a fun, so that's what I do. Look, Brooklyn girls, your pussy coming on love it. Your pussy coming like bird. I wanna be loved some places. Come about you now, that's statements. Never afraid of the distance. You are the never. Oh, I gotta go with you. And I'll be left with you like bow. You never less cool. Gotta go with you. And I'll be left with you like bow. You never less cool. Gotta go with you. And I'll be left with you like bow. You never less cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I say you're giving me a party. If it is a bird. Squeeze up your body. This is your last one. If your heart don't already be your first year kid, come in on me house, got a world place. This be a big Africa. Sing with the place. Look. And I'm in love with your night. Yeah, let's go. And I'm in love with your night. Fuck you. Love you living your damn way too. I'm lying, I should say you love me. What a blood clot pussy for you. You're going to clean already. Time to come in your bed. You can be on your body now. Sauce back in your body so. If you care, if your mind has such a strong fear, it will love you. Look. Why not your body, girl? That's right. Yo, this is the answer. If you sound like that, there's something to be said. When we are from, so we like colonize. Decolonize. Pull up. There you go. Then Vybz Kartel and friends. And what special guest for Carlo? Hey, Bumbo Clark. Orlando. Let's start doing it.
Yo, good as bust, bust.
So what you saying, yo? What the goodie, yo? We want the buckets up in my hoodie, yo. I wanna bring a crowd like a body, I see yo. You don't want to find a nigga with me, get you, yo. Hey, bum, nigga, get Julio, Julio, hey. Have a nigga get a slap, little Julio, hey. Bitch, niggas giving you like Julio, fuck yeah. If you show that you see me, you know the way you something, and you want to get over that Julio. Stop, man, shit, you like you put your check in, yo. Wanna whip my finger like, would you need to figure, show I got it. Teach you with the shit that you feel it. Only your toes, hey. Hot shit, got on my people, red clothes, now start my metaphors, I'm from my neighbor, so you don't know you fuck with me. Let's go. Let me see what you got for me. Put your hands on my eyes, put your hands on my eyes, if you really want to, let me see what you put your hands on my eyes, if you really want to party with me. This is what the 200 restaurant. I'm not gonna make it just one day when they're like, I'm gonna give a unity with a soul. Stepping ass nigga. Nigga, you just hold on my niggas and chippy ass what? Shit niggas be walking around. Hearing us, hey, fuck bitch, like you don't wanna be hearing us, hey. Gotta be 200, yo. Playing us, nigga. Tell me, nigga, you making it, baby. Us, nigga. Imaging everything on my nigga. Yo, this one nigga, pull up. Hold on. We represent Brooklyn all day, East Flatbush, Church Avenue, back! Show you how that dice be rolling, kid! Alright, cool. This seems like the appropriate time. It does. For me to show you motherfuckers how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there. Let's go! Let's go.
boss, I love you. Welcome home, King.
Thank you.
Take up on yourself.
Yo, people. Want a cheer? Want a cheer? I need a cheer. I want to sit. What up? I need a cheer. Right, that's it. When the awareness for you, I will get one little cheer. And I say, that's not giving king and queen. It's giving poverty.
You upgrade the chair!
Yes.
You upgrade the chair!
I upgrade the chair the same way you upgrade your hair. Oh, I like your outfit. It's giving royalty.
Your outfit is giving rich.
Thank you, lady.
Expensive.
What up?
A two-chair? You know when Kartel was locked up, him called me. And him asked me a question.
Don't know.
Him asked me, what my favorite sex position?
Oh my God, talk the business?
Never tell them.
Okay, go ahead.
But you're not locked up again. You're not there, prisoner dead. Me didn't tell you about it, but now I'm going to show you.
She loves good talk to you. You are getting the shit of
So yeah, there you have it, you know, people. Vybz Kartel and friends, you know, them come support him and them come turn out. And the fans them also look like them have a good time and so forth. But there's other clippings with other celebrity that was there also. You have Buju Banton, you have Elephant Man, you have Cardi B, and few others. You have Safari also was there. So it was a great turnout, you know. They're making the move for the dancehall and them make the move for culture. I respect that. And now it look like, as we may say, a lot of artists have them visa. Me only hope to see Popcorn out there one day, you know, in the United States, because the dancehall culture is being supported over there in the US. So to see artists like a Popcorn over there, it's a good look. So, you know, me have to play the clippings them with the other celebrities, them, the other people, them, with it, they and I enjoy themselves. And some other parts where the people them that talk about the concert also.
Alright, let's get into a few things. I know I said I wasn't going to the Barclays to see Adidja, but I couldn't resist myself. I happened to get a super good deal. They brought tickets yesterday. End up going there. Whatever. But I'm here to review the concert, and I'm going to be honest, and I love Adidja dearly. But that Bahamas concert was 10 times better, and the reason why, one, I do believe that he is under the weather, and it's this weather change. Like, you can't be mad at him, but his voice was, like, going in and out. In Bahamas, weather was good, voice was good, okay? And also, Barclays, they don't fuck around with their time. They took that man off 11:55. He's supposed to sing Brooklyn Anthem 5 times. He said it on the Breakfast Club. They didn't even give that man a chance to. He sung it 1.5 times. 1.5 times. One thing about Gracie Hamilton, though, Grace Hamilton, shout out to you. Because when she knew that Vybz Kartel was trying to get his voice back better, she came through at the right time to, like, kind of pick the show back up. It was absolutely amazing, okay? Like, every time she performs, I love it. I absolutely love it. Busta Rhymes came out for our set. And Spliff Star is the longest lasting hype man I've ever seen in my life. Like, all 30, 40 years, he's still the same hype man. Like, that job must be paying fucking good, or they really must be fucking besties, okay? Why would Black Rhino fall? I don't know. And I never realized Black Rhino's only 3 feet tall. I absolutely enjoy myself because I feel like Vybz Kartel gave us a whole different set from the Bahamas. I feel like I got more Badman Gunman tune, okay? And I feel like I'm balanced. Like, I feel like I went to 2 different shows, and it felt like 2 different experiences. And that's why I'm not mad that I spent my money. I'm always going to rate Adidja. But like I said, Bahamas was better to me because guess what? We left that bitch at 4 a.m. They wasn't rushing us off the stage. We got to literally enjoy every song. Because he's on a time limit with the Barclays, you guys have to understand that he's going to have to rush some of them songs. Some of them songs he's going to sing a little bit of, and then he's not going to be able to really get deep into them because he has a large collection of music. So you have to be understanding of that as well. And I want you guys to also know that no concert starts on time. None. He didn't have nobody opening up for him, so that's why it seemed like he started extremely late, but no concert starts on time. And plus, he's Jamaican. But in all reality, no star starts at 8 o'clock. There's usually somebody that opens up for them, and then they come on later. You can't expect him to perform from 8 to 12. Let's be so fucking for real. He's human. So anybody who's like, oh my God, he came so late, what the fuck did you think? Like, what did you think? Did he say he had an opening act? No. He should next time book me, though. I would have kept them entertained. And also, Russian, I'm quite sick of you not knowing your words. I love that.
Okay, y'all. This is not gonna be just like a full-blown review. I just had this at the top of my head, and I'm home, so I just want to get it out now. I was disappointed tonight at the show. I was disappointed. And the reason why I was disappointed was because I truly feel like the crowd was dead. Like, I feel like the crowd was dead. I feel like a lot of people that was there didn't know his music. Like, it's strange. Like, I just feel like that was the most people I ever seen at the Barclays. It was packed. It was ram. And I had, like, I was in a pretty good location. So, like, I was able to see everything tonight, and I was in a good spot, and I just feel like I didn't like what I saw. Like, I did not like the crowd. Thankfully, I wasn't there for the crowd, so I still enjoyed myself. I was happy to see Vybz Kartel perform. I don't really want to get into the show itself, but I just will say that I just feel like the vibes are off. Like, I don't know, like, I just feel like how people concert in my head, it just didn't translate.
Vybz Kartel a pull crowd. You see that show that Vybz Kartel doing in Brooklyn, New York, on the 11th of April. All who did I look for see Vybz Kartel flap. That never happened. The show sell off. And nobody do it, Place ram pack. And Vybz Kartel did some good performance as well. But artists, I man have some tips for the in regards to some techniques. You see, anything the I do in an exercise, sing and DJ. You say if you run and DJ and sing. If you jog and DJ and sing. Go in your pool and swim and sing and DJ. It's when you're the Kim and I run pan a belt there. Sing and DJ while you do that. And if I push-ups you do, push-ups and DJ. Use up your ginger for your vocal. You have something in tuna. I'm not talk single Bible, no tuna. Very good for your vocal. Use up them thing there. And stay away from cold drinks and cold water and cold liquor. Room temperature. Yeah, man. Do the door. And go and represent dancehall. Because remember, dancehall can't stall and reggae music can't fall. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. One dancehall. Shocking Morris said that.
So you know, people, I eat that, and as me say, big respect to Vybz Kartel for you do it, But one thing we need the people them to do, I make sure they need to stop the comparison and stop trying to bring down other artists to push up one artist. Because we see it, that go on in a dance and everybody in support of one artist, Vybz Kartel, they don't really show much respect or much support for the other artists. Then we are going to do it, or we are do it already. So I just that me have to say, but you know it go already, people. Just make me know what you think in the comment section about Vybz Kartel's performance and about some of the things and the people in share I say about the concert. And as Shocking Murray are saying, Vybz Kartel need to drink some tea and stop drinking the cold drinks, them and so forth, and the liquor and so forth. But let me know what you think. You know it go already, man. A Vybz and inside with another one. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.